Alrighty, Matt, here's your 582 Airboat Pacific big block Chevrolet. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of R heads on it. You got the Edelbrock Victor Jr. And right now we got a Q950 on top of it. It's got a custom grind hydraulic roller. Obviously we got the Airboat Pacific oil pan built by Stefs for us. Great pan. Front end on it, make sure the alternator charges for you. We're going to make a run, show you what it does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,400, 722 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 745, peak horsepower 707. So rated 580, everything's good. So next thing we'll do is we'll pull the pipes back and make sure the exhaust is good and clean, and I'm going to show you one other thing. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card. It is a USB card full of technical information. It's got all your engine build specs, engine pictures, dyno videos, a lot of technical stuff. Highly recommend plug it in and watch it when you get it. If you got any questions, just holler. There'll be this tag on the engine, have your engine number, oil capacity, timing, things of that nature. Definitely hold on to this tag. If you want any information when you call here, the engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Have a great day.